How to fix the touch disease on the iPhone 6 Plus. If you look up at the top left, you'll be able to see which tool I'm using the entire time. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and flip over the logic board. We're going to locate this soft cover on the back. Now with this metal tool, what you want to do is start to peel up this shield. And just peel it up about halfway. Sorry, a little bit more than halfway. Alright, so the two Touch IC chips are actually right here and right here. And they're both above this sensor. Now we need to prepare our electrical tape to go in. It does need to be electrical tape. What you want to do is get a piece of electrical tape about this long and split it down the middle. And now fold it. About 6 times. So you can see that's almost both the pieces. And it's pretty thick. But it's not bulging a lot. And a common issue you guys were having were that it would come right back, and that's because it wasn't thick enough. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to take this tape and put it right there. As you can see, it covers the top 2 chips. And now we're going to put the soft cover back down So you can see there's the bulge that it's coming out. It's just ever so slight. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the repair, please let me know down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more. And look over on the discussion tab